In Mexico, where COVID-19 cases have overtaken Italy to become the world's fourth worst-hit country. The country has reported 276 more fatalities as the tally crossed 35,000. Brazil's daily death toll has fallen to 635 from the previous day's 1,071, with the toll there over 72,000. In the U.S., more than 56,000 have contracted the virus overnight, with a total of 3.3 million cases and over 135,000 deaths. Globally, the virus has killed over 569,000 people and has infected 12.9 million. More on that now in this report.
With the Americas struggling to contain the coronavirus pandemic, experts warn the real number of cases can be far higher due to testing lags. But U.S. President Donald Trump is pressing schools to reopen, threatening to cut funds to those who defy the policy. Meanwhile, Japan and the U.S. are sharing information about coronavirus cases at U.S. military bases in Okinawa Prefecture. Down south, Argentina's cases topped 100,000 as the outbreak spirals out of control despite restrictive measures. The government says it will continue extending the lockdowns until the situation improves.
We believe this peak will plateau and not decrease for a while. That is the most dangerous thing, being at a peak for a long time. That is what is going to make beds fill up much faster and the intensive care beds get quickly occupied.
South Africa has introduced new restrictions including nighttime curfew, compulsory face covering, and a ban on alcohol sales. After Victoria, Australia is now fearing a second wave in the most populous state, New South Wales. 14 new cases emerged with the growing cluster at a pub used by freight drivers in the state. In Spain, Catalonia's regional government has confined residents to their home after registering 816 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours.
They are complicated measures, but we believe that we must apply them now precisely to not to reach a worse situation that leads us to depend on these measures and others as a total and harder confinement. Therefore, we are attacking this complex situation now in order to overcome it.
In Asia, the Philippines has reported 162 new coronavirus deaths, the country's largest single-day increase. South Korea's new virus cases have increased as imported cases and cluster infections in major cities continues to rise. The country added 62 cases, including 19 local infections, with the total infections crossing 13,000, while mainland China has reported only 8 new coronavirus cases.